Hey folks, this is Matt. I'm over here at a dealership in Delray Beach. They got this really cool 2500. It's a Chevy, and it stinks. Smells like somebody was smoking in there. It's coming out of the HVAC. Really nice little truck though. Listen, I do apartments, homes, cars, boats, planes. You name it. If it's got a smell, I'll get it out. And you know what? Don't waste your time, your money, get aggravated trying all these, snake oil products that you find online or what your grandmother said. Sorry to tell you, but if you got something stubborn like tobacco or mildew or pets or what, call me. I'll get it out for you real quick. It's affordably priced, and you won't have to deal with it. It takes me an hour, because I got the know-how and the proper chemicals that are hypoallergenic, non-toxic. My name is Matt. I'm at 954-589-3083. Let me help you out. Thank you, guys. That's me right there. Hello.